Yes, students, today we are going to discuss the basic terminologies of automata. First of all, we discuss what is automata. Automata is basically a self-computing device that can follow a predetermined sequence of operations automatically. And automata is also known as a finite state machine, as its name indicate that it is a machine with finite number of states. Clear? इसके नाम से ही पता चल रहा है that automata is a computing machine which is having a finite number of states. Clear? We can represent the automata with the help of 5 important tuples. These tuples are very important and it's the base of the finite automata. First tuple is Q, where Q stands for the finite set of states. This one is a sigma. Sigma is also called the alphabet, and alphabet is nothing. Alphabet is basically a collection of the finite set of symbols. Clear? This one is delta. Delta is the transition function. Q naught is a starting state, or you can say that it's the initial state, and F is the final state. Clear? You know very well, I already told you that Q is the set of states, collection of all these states. So Q naught also belongs to this capital Q, and this final state is also the subset of this set of states. Now there are some representations that you have to remember while drawing the diagram, while drawing the finite automata. Clear? First of all, as I told you that Q naught is the initial state, or you can say that it is a starting state. So we draw start states like this. एक सर्कल के बीच में हम स्टेट का नाम लिखेंगे. It's 1, 2, 3 और Q naught, Q1, Q2, whatever you want to write. कोई भी हम स्टेट का नाम लिखेंगे और बाहर हमें हमेशा एरो पुट करना है. This arrow symbol indicates that this one is the initial state. Clear? नेक्स्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज द फाइनल स्टेट, एंड फाइनल स्टेट को हम हमेशा डबल सर्कल के साथ रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड दिस वन इज द डेड स्टेट. डेड स्टेट मीन्स इफ अगर हमें किसी स्टेट पे किसी इनपुट को पास नहीं करना, वी डोंट नीड एनी इनपुट, देन वी पास दैट इनपुट इन द डेड स्टेट. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि उस इनपुट के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग हमारे पास कोई आउटपुट ना आए, सो वी जस्ट पुट दैट इनपुट इनटू द डेड स्टेट. क्लियर? You will able to understand all these representations with the help of examples. Clear? Now these are the basic terminologies that you have to remember for the automata. Your first term is, what do you mean by alphabet? अल्फाबेट, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, अल्फाबेट को हम सिग्मा सिंबल के साथ रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एंड दिस अल्फाबेट इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ सिंबल्स. सिंबल्स क्या होते हैं? सिंबल्स इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सिंबल इज बेसिकली द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ टीओसी. जो आपका टीओसी सब्जेक्ट है वो पूरा का पूरा सिंबल्स के ऊपर बेस्ड है, और अल्फाबेट्स इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ फाइनाइट सेट ऑफ सिंबल्स. जैसे यहाँ पर लिए सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू ABCD. तो here A is a symbol, B is a symbol, C is a symbol, D is a symbol. We can take any symbol. जरूरी नहीं है हमें यहाँ पे ABCD लेना है. We can also take 0, 1. We can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can take any digit, or we can take any alphabet at the place of this symbol. Even we can take a picture or special symbols at the place of these symbols. We can also write hat symbol here, star symbol here, dollar symbol here. These symbols are also treated as a special symbols. Clear? Now, our next terminology is string. What do you mean by string? String is the sequence of symbols. जैसे अभी हमने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिया था कि सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू ABCD, तो इनके कॉम्बिनेशन से आप जो भी सीक्वेंस बनाएंगे वो हमारी स्ट्रिंग कहलाएगी. क्लियर? सपोज यहाँ पे ABCD के कॉम्बिनेशन से हमने ये एक स्ट्रिंग बनाई, ये कलेक्शन किया. सो दिस कलेक्शन इज नोन एज स्ट्रिंग. यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी लिख सकते थे. हम सिंपल A भी लिख सकते हैं, B भी लिख सकते हैं, AA B भी लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट एनीथिंग. Clear? So the collection of these symbols, the sequence of these symbols is known as the string. Now, what's the length of this string? इस string की length कितनी होगी? Just count the digits in this string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a collection of 6 alphabets. Clear? So it's a collection of 6 alphabets. So we can say that the length of this string is 6. And the length is always represented by these symbol. We have to put these two lines. That's a mode symbol. And the length of this one is 6. We can also have a string whose length is 0. And 0 length string is known as the empty string, or we can say that it's a null string. And null string is represented with the help of epsilon. Now, next